Well, Happy New Year, everybody. Today we're taking a look at the Roaring Fire Smolder waxed canvas organizer pouch. Let's check it out. All right, folks, welcome back. So if you may have noticed, my voice is kind of crummy today. I feel great, but this always seems to happen after I get like a flu bug or something. For 2 days, I have no voice. But I figured we're going to go ahead and take a look at this thing because they've been waiting forever for me to review it, and I absolutely love it. And I'm going to make a fire kit out of it for my bike go bag. So we're going to take a look at this thing today. This little Roaring Fire Smolder organizer pouch is waxed canvas. Okay. Really nicely put together. Very sturdy. Got the brass YKK zippers on it. And this really has to be one of the most smooth opening packs I have ever had. You know, as far as zippers go, it just opens really easily and smoothly. Now, you will notice with waxed canvas, there's going to be some scratches on it. I'll show you, like, if I run my finger across it. That's no big deal. If you really want to get rid of those, you just take a heater or a hairdryer or something. The wax will melt right back in, but it really isn't a problem. Kind of makes it look cool and a little bit weathered. What I'd like to do is open this up, so I'm going to put the camera up a little bit and then down on it, and we'll take a look inside, and I'm going to show you what I'm putting in here. All right, so we're going to open it up. I want to show you the back quickly, though. This does have the MOLLE attachments here, so this can be weaved onto a vest. Now, when I say that, what do I mean? Well, if you notice, I kind of have it just behind here. What you'll do with this is put it through your MOLLE attachment of whatever you're attaching, then under here, then into the MOLLE attachment of whatever you're putting it to, and then back underneath around that way, and you weave it in, kind of like you're weaving. So it makes it a little bit more stable. Years ago, before I knew that, I used to just put it through here and here, and it would be flapping like that the whole time on whatever I put it on. So you really do have a nice little system here. You got pouches up front, you got a little small zipper pouch up front. I'm going to open it up here and show you the inside of it. Okay, there we go. Got a nice little pouch up here to put whatever you need in, and that's kind of handy for a fire kit because you can actually see stuff. Like, oh, I got my lighter right there. I don't have to dig through other things. But there really are no pockets or pouches on the inside of this. It's all kind of out in the open. You do have a little bit of a thing back here and a little bit of one back here, but that's about it, really. So what I decided to do with this is put it together as a fire kit, because I had my fire kit in my bicycle go bag all over the place. My e-bike go bag, it was everywhere. There was this ferro rod here, fire starters in this pocket. I want to put it all in one place. That way it's all at the same place where I can grab everything if I need to and take it with me and have it right out in front of me. So I'm going to show you some of the things we're going to be putting inside of it, and then we'll get more into the bag. I am putting a multi-tool in there, just kind of handy. Some waxed jute twine, a lighter, and I have tape the top here so it doesn't leak, and I also put some duct tape on here because duct tape is an awesome fire starter. Okay, these are black and white fire starter fat wood. Very, very handy to have. They come in a nice little neat package. They're a little bit on the sticky side, but again, it's inside there. It's no big deal. I'm using this Uberleden. You've probably seen me use this in a ton of videos. I have a couple of these. This Uberleden ferro rod. It's probably my most reliable ferro rod, and I like the fact that they're far enough away there where I can strike it without being all stuck up when they put a short little lanyard on it. So that's going to go in there. Of course, some wax cotton balls and some bushcraft, what are these, fire plugs. You basically break these open, they have wax in them, and you'll strike and it'll light up really well. I do put a couple of alcohol swabs in there. These are really quick, easy fire starters. It's kind of cheating, but they do work very, very well. Okay? And of course, I'm going to put one of these little SOL fuel things in there for really rainy times where I have to start a fire, but everything's wet, everything's rainy. These will light. Really simple, very small kit, and I believe it'll all fit in there. And I may add more stuff down the road, but I think this is perfect for you here. You do have these little carabiners up top on either side. So if you have keys or anything else you want to hang off it, you can do that. Very, very simple to put stuff in it. You've got these little loops. So anything I want to put in there, like say a ferro rod, you know, very easily slide it right in there like that. And there you go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything in here and show you what it looks like packed together, because I always hate showing bags when they're empty. it's like kind of lame. It's like, oh, look at the deflated little bag. I like to show them when they're full of stuff. So let's get all this stuff in here, and I'll bring you back, and we'll finish up the video. So there you go. That's pretty simple. Really not much to it. Again, this isn't a huge fire kit. This is for my e-bike go bag. Should things ever be so bad that I actually have to literally leave home on my e-bike, this is what I would be taking as a fire kit. So I didn't put anything up top here yet. Again, I may add stuff down the road. I'm trying to keep this as light as possible. And I contemplated taking that tool, but I wasn't sure. So all in all, pretty simple. And just fold it all up. I have to bring it over to me here. And we'll zip it all up and be done. And there you go. So as you can see, a nice, compact, easy-to-use kit. Does have a little bit of attachment on the front here. I figured this is a good patch for the front. Bad decisions make good stories. So I like that on there. I think that's pretty cool. So this is the Smolder EDC pouch. Again, you can use it for whatever you want. I'm just using this as a fire kit because I like to have, when I make a go bag, I like all of my stuff individually in packs. May add a little bit of weight to it, but I like to know, oh, that's my fire kit. Oh, that's my first aid kit. You know, and I'll give you an example. This is my first aid kit that I did a little work on here, okay? So everything is labeled, everything's in a pouch, everything's ready to go. I like that. It makes it a little bit easier for breakdown and for rotating stuff out too. If I go in here and say, you know, I haven't replaced that tinder in my fire kit from a long time ago, I want to dump it and put something new in, well, I know where my fire kit is. I don't have to dig through every bag, through the whole thing and find it. I have my knives and tools in another one. So it definitely makes it a little bit easier. And I think this thing is really, really well made. The dimensions on it are 7.87 by 6.1 by 1.17. So fits in your bag easily. You can put, you know, like a lot of people use these for, if they work in IT, they'll put all their gear for their IT stuff in it, and it works very well for them. So it's definitely something you can check out on the website. I think it's a quality pouch for organizing your small everyday carry items and even medical stuff. You know, if you want to make a mini first aid kit, that would do very, very well. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. I am cutting it a little short today because I want to save my voice, because I want this to go away. I do feel great. It's just the leftovers from having the flu bug that's gotten my voice all scratchy. So I do thank you guys for watching. Link for this will be down below. Like I said, it's about $46.99. A little on the higher end price, but these things are so well made, you never have to worry about them again. You buy it once and you're done. So they're very, very well made. Don't forget, check out the link for that down there, Roaring Fire. I've done reviews for them before. They have awesome gear, so check out their site. I have our Amazon affiliate store down there. And folks, if you haven't checked out the store yet, definitely check it out. You can even bookmark that link and use it whenever you shop on Amazon. Really helps out the channel. Doesn't cost you anything. We do have our freeze-dried wholesalers link. Remember, my link saves you 15%. Click on the link. I got a lot more stuff coming from them this month coming up. And our My Patriot Supply link. That's preparewithiridium.com. Given what we're seeing in the world, now's a good time to stock up on food. And My Patriot Supply always has deals, so check them out at preparewithiridium.com. Lastly, our Thrive Life freeze-dried food store. I do have my order coming up from them pretty soon, so we will show you that too. I thank you guys for hanging out with me today and joining me today. I'm going to go drink some tea and honey and make my voice better. Stay safe and stay prepared.